Hello guys, welcome back to winter season. So you can see in this background is already foggy morning. So today we got four plants. It's kind of rare, normally not found, but easily can be grown anywhere by following couple of tips and tricks. These are a lot of people's wish listed plant. They are expecting to have those plants we are going to review today, and today we are going to review their prices and sources as well, from where you can actually got in reasonable price. So let's start this video guys. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more and new updates. So we have four plants, and the very first plant we got is Shetin Pothos, and that is a dreamy plant of a lot of peoples who have started gardening very newly. So Shetin pothos are kind of like other similar pothos. They just need to be followed couple of things to grow very faster. They need indirect sunlight, and they need a lot of moisture and watering properly. This is the mandatory one that you need to follow. Yeah, if you are new to this gardening, then this plant would be really perfect for your garden.
There are a lot of beautiful Shetin Pothos and variation you can find in Easty store that I was just roaming around. So there are a lot of price variations as well, but you need to find the best one for you. So here I have taken couple of in other tabs. So I was checking their price and the qualities what they are delivering. Those things I was checking. So this one I found like 5.99. It's like, oh my god, this one only two leaves. It's like one vine. The next slide, it was 9.99. It's $10, and this one giving there one pot that is quite suitable for me.
So the second plant that we are going to talk about is Alocasia Poly. It's well known as a poly plant. It's again rainforest plant, so it's commonly known in Africa as elephant ear. That is true. When these leaves are in the backlit, then it's having a effect like green and yellowish. So that is really superb. That if you can see from this image, then I think you can predict something similar of that. Alocasia again needs bright light, and proper moisture is really good for them to grow faster. Direct sunlight will like cause the leaf burns, so we should not put this sort of plant into the direct sunlight. So in this video there are four plants that we are talking. It's all are having like sun problem. You need to water properly, and moisture they are loving a lot.
The African musk or Alocasia poly. When I saw this in SC store, it looks like all are like artificial something. So I was trying to find some good one, good plant which is in reasonable price. So I got some and I took some tabs. So this one I found only is good one, like 11.25 bucks, and then I have found another one is $15. So these are really suitable prices, still you can afford, and I also can afford this sort of stuff.
The next one is Philodendron gloriosum. The spelling is quite heavier for me, but the next one is more harder. I'm not sure that I can do the spelling of that last one. Some of you this plant already have, and this is for again for new gardeners who are really love to have a different sort of plants. So this would be the really great one to start. So this plant usually you cannot find from your gardening center, but you can buy this plant from Amazon, ST, and some of Instagram's gardeners profile. So this is one kind of, again, rare plant for me. Here is really hard to get, but so far what we got from the website of Easty is really superb, and I think the price also is good. Philodendron are tropical plants, so it loves higher humidity. It will tolerate lower humidity levels, but misting the plant regularly, it will really help a lot.
While I was going through for the philodendron, so I found really some nice stuff over the stores of ST, but they are giving a bit extra prices here. Like, this is for me a little bit expensive, but still, if you want to have a quality product, then you should go for. I can suggest this one, yeah, because they are really like a standard, and they are giving really good stuff. So here what I found, like, average ranges are 40 to up to 100. So here I have taken couple of tabs. So here, like, 30 is two small plants what they are showcasing. I'm not sure this one is the right one, but yes, this is the right one that you can afford and buy in 45 to 50 bucks. So this one is really good to me with 45 bucks, and it also will grow faster.
So guys, this is the last plant that I need to spell the name. The Syngonium podophyllum variegata. I am not sure what I am speaking right now. Well, this is like a regular arrowhead plant that you are used to, that are same species but with a different sort of effect or variation or color, whatever you say, in their leaves, which make this plant is really different from others. This plant is growing really massively. Wherever you keep this one, this will grow massively, except the sunlight, because they hate really the direct sunlight, and they really love the shady areas and lot of waters they really love.
Syngonium, I didn't see a lot of variation from ST store, but you can definitely find a lot of variation from your closest gardening shop. So I bet this price is a little bit compact, and it's competitive prices here they have given, as there are a lot of others paintings and materials are also being sold at the same level. So here, like, you can see 4.44, you can afford a nice paintings for your maybe for your plant corner and the room. So for the plant, the prices are here mentioned, like 125 bucks. I felt it's a little bit higher, because what we're buying from here, it's like only $30. For here is 70, is quite a good. I think from the leaves and other effects, it's quite a good one.
So thank you so much guys for watching these videos. If you're really new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the only support I really need from you guys to grow this YouTube channel. So there are a lot of more unique and rare plants videos I have made. I have given into this I button. Please make sure you watch them, and please, if you like these videos, please share this video with your friends. Definitely. Till then, I'll see you. I'll come back to you by next week. Till then, see you guys. Bye bye.